I've tried YouTube automation for 10 days and here's what happened. And I'm gonna show you the results that I've got till now. So, what did I upload? There's a lot of content to choose from. So, I uploaded short form content, and that content was podcast clips. And how did I do that? I'm gonna show you that also now. So first I head over to opusclip.com. It is a free AI tool to generate podcast clips. So I just went there and just pasted the YouTube link, and it just made me 4 to 5 podcast clips, and then I just uploaded it to YouTube and I'm gonna show you the results. So I started uploading the YouTube videos 2nd January, and now when I'm recording the video it is 13th January, so it is around 10 days. The podcast I focused on was Lex Friedman's podcast with Devon Larratt, because I found out that it works for my channel, and you also have to find out what works for your channel and what gives you views, because everybody wants views and you really need them. So I uploaded about Devon Larratt. So when I uploaded about Devon Larratt, it got some really good views. But so when I uploaded about Elon Musk, it didn't get views. Yes, it is really true. It didn't get any views. You can see here in the screen recording. So you have to find out what works for your channel, and it really did give me some good results. So at the end, I want to tell you that if you want to make a good audience who want to learn something, you can do that, but you cannot earn from this channel because you cannot monetize it. Of course, you can make it monetized like doing affiliate marketing or stuff like that, but it doesn't get monetized. If you want something like that, then you can always do that. But in my case, I didn't cross 1k views except one video. I don't know why, what was stopping me from that. Even now I'm not getting that much of views. So it is all about sometimes luck, and sometimes also your how you upload the videos. So I'm learning with you guys also. I'm also a newbie. So let's hope for the best, and that is for this video. If you like this video and you want to be the part of my journey, then you can subscribe to my channel and do share my channel with your friends so they can also feel connected with me. Bye.